Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to stop apps from automatically opening when clicking on a link in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on choose default apps and here click on opening links. Now here in installed apps section, it will show you the list of all apps that you have installed in your mobile and can open links. So from here, open the app in which you want to make changes. Now after opening the app, here you will be able to see a open spotted links button. So to stop apps from automatically opening the links, turn off this button, and after turning off this button, now this app will not open links automatically. So that's how you can stop apps from automatically opening when clicking on a link in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.